Today, one of the biggest challenges we face is the rise of misinformation and disinformation. From social media posts to forwarded messages, false information is spreading faster than ever, shaping the way people think, act, and even make important decisions. To understand how deeply this issue has affected our society, we took it to the streets to know for ourselves how much it has impacted the people around us.
There were several news which were surfacing online, and in the heat of the moment I would post them on social media without cross verifying it, and later it turned out to be fake.
Last week, I guess, I had received a message regarding the internship letters. I have provided my LinkedIn ID, and they kind of tried to manipulate my information, but I had two-factor authentication on.
I received a WhatsApp text claiming that getting jobs is very easy by watching this short video, and you will get a job. So after watching the video, and at the end they will be asking for the registration fee. So it's just a ploy to, it's just a trick to attract the customers and win the followers.
Our initiative is to create a platform where people not only gain awareness but also enjoy learning how to protect themselves from misinformation. That's why we built an interactive website with multiple features. The first is a space-themed mini-game. Players dodge asteroids, collect gems for hint points, and face monsters by deciding whether displayed information is true or false. Correct answers earn rewards and progress, while wrong answers gives us lesson on what to look out for in the future. The second feature is an assessment test. This allows users to check how proficient they are in identifying fake news and misleading claims. The third feature is an AI-powered tool where anyone can ask if a claim is true or false. It also comes with an image analyzer designed to detect deepfakes and fake articles. Fourth feature is a community forum. Here, users can post any questionable information and discuss it collectively, making it easier to verify truth together. And finally, we added a leaderboard with achievement badges and titles. This makes the experience more engaging, motivates users to participate actively, and helps build a smarter, more aware community against misinformation.
At Verifya, our goal is simple: to empower people with the tools and knowledge to identify misinformation and protect themselves in this digital age by providing awareness, education, and community-driven solutions. We aim to build a future where truth prevails over deception. Together with Verifya, let's take a stand against misinformation and create a safer, smarter digital world.